Okay, this is example A. Now we have square root of 12, x cubed, y power of 5, z power of 2. Okay, before we proceed, okay, firstly, you have to think for number 12. Number 12 ni hasil darab apa? So, kita kena kecilkan dia, cari prime number dia. So, we know that 6 multiply by 2, we get 12. And then 6 ni kita kecilkan lagi jadi 3 multiply by 2, kita dapat 6. And this is 2. So, you have to combine this. Okay, ni adalah nombor yang terkecil, which prime number ni, dia boleh bahagi dengan diri dia sendiri ataupun nombor 1. Okay. So, now when we know that 12 is equal to 3 multiply by 2 power of 2. So, ini semua kita letak dalam soalan nanti. Right, so therefore the solution is 3 multiplied by 2 square multiplied by x square multiplied by x. Kenapa Madam pecah macam ni? Sebab Madam tahu ini adalah punca kuasa 2. Sedang Madam nak keluarkan nanti. Okay, so multiply by y power of 2, y power of 2 and y. Okay, kalau ada space boleh buat macam ni. Kalau tak apa, ada cara lain yang lebih simple nanti. Okay, so macam ni. Right, pecahan satu-satu. So, mana satu yang Madam akan keluarkan? So, Madam akan keluarkan mana satu yang ada kuasa 2 je. Okay, sebab kita ada kat sini punca kuasa 2. So, y, z. Okay, so yang ini, yang mana Madam tak bulatkan tu, dia akan tinggal kat dalam. Okay, so the solution here is, okay, kita keluarkan 2. And then kita ada x tu. And then y kita ada 2 kali yang kita bulatkan. So, jadinya adalah y kuasa 2. And z. Okay, square root of. Apa dalam tu ada 3. Okay, x dengan y. Okay. So, this is the, I think this is the solution. Okay, 3xy. Okay. Okay, this is question B. Cube root of 6x square y cube and multiply by cube root of 4x power 5 y power 2. Okay, how can we solve this? We can just multiply directly the radicals for these two cube root because of we now have the same root, right? So, cube root of 6 multiplied by 4, we get 24. And x power of 7 and y power of 3. Okay, and then we have to think for number 24. This is the multiplication of 8 multiplied by 3. And then we know this is 2 power of 3. Alright, we get 8 and 3. Okay, this 2 means 24 is equal to 2 power of 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, and then we have to put it in the question just now. We get here 2 power of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x power of 6 power of x multiplied by x and then y power of 3. Okay. So now which one we have to put it out, and then we can just put it out this one 2 power of 3 x power of 6 and y power of 3. Okay, this one kita tinggal je kat dalam. So the answer is 2. Okay, and then x power of 6 we get x power of 2, and then y cube root of 3x. Okay, this is the solution for B. Okay, this is example C. We can see here we have cube root of 54 x power 4 y divided by root of 4 81 x and y square. And normally we will think, okay, for number 54, this is the multiplication of 6 and 9. And then kita pecahkan lagi jadi 3 darab 2. And then 9 is basically 3 power of 2. Alright, so therefore 50 is equal to 3 power of 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so now we do the same method for 81. So 81 ni darab 9 dengan 9. So 9 there will be 3 power of 2 multiply and then 3 power of 2. And then when we compile these two, we get 81. Okay, 81 is equal to 3 power of 4. Okay, now we put into the question. Okay, so now we know that, okay, 54 is equal to 3 power of 3 multiplied by 2. then multiply by x power of 3. Okay, I just, oops, sorry. X power of 3 multiply by x, we get x power of 4, and then multiply by y. Oops, sorry. Okay, divide by power of 4, we have here 3 power of 4, multiply by x, multiply by y square. So now, kat mana kita kena, okay, which number that we have to put it outside. So we can just put out 3x, okay. Then now, kat sini 3 power 4. So jawapan dia adalah, kat luar, we have here 3 and we have x. So inside the root, we have 2xy. Divide by 3 and then x y square. Okay, so just want to recall, okay, mana satu yang keluar yang tadi Menda gariskan yang kat bawah ni, yang ini akan stay kat dalam root, and also this one pun akan stay. Okay, yang keluar ni sebab dia ada power of 3 untuk yang kat atas and power of 4 yang dekat bawah. So now kita tengok adakah kita dah settle untuk soalan ni. Jawapannya adalah belum, because of now we have here, kita ada lagi radical kat sini. Okay, so kita kena rationalize. Therefore you have to rationalize. Okay, nak rationalize tu nak darab dengan apa? Sebab denominator dia sekarang dah ada x y square. So you have to think that we have to rationalize okay, root dia 4, atas bawah sama. Tapi dalam dia ni sekarang y dah x dah ada 1 kan. So jadi x power of 3, atas pun x power of 3, and then y kita ada y power of 2. So kita multiply dengan y power of 2. Therefore kita dapat power of 4. So now kita multiply atas bawah, apa jawapan dia? Kita akan dapat 3x and then 3 2xy and then 4x power of 3 divide by okay 3. Okay, ingat ni bila kita darab x power of 1 darab dengan x power of 3 dapat x power of 4 and y power of 4. Okay, so dapat dalam bentuk macam ni. Kita simplify lagi. So kita akan dapat kat sini 3x. Okay, remember class, now we can see that okay, ni okay kan semua kan? Dia punya m adalah lebih kecil daripada ni. Okay, ni ada common factor tak? So we can see that now kita ada kuasa 2 dengan kuasa 4 kan? So kita boleh keluarkan yang y ni. So dia akan jadi yang ni sama, tak ada ubah apa pun. Okay, 2 divide by 4, kita akan dapat punca kuasa ni lah. Kita akan dapat 1/2 kan, sama juga dengan square root lah. So square root apa? Square root y. Okay, and then yang ni akan remain punca kuasa 4, x kuasa 3 kat dalam. Alright, divide by 3x y. So mana sekarang kita boleh simplify? So we can simplify this one. Ni ada 3 and then x dengan x. So jawapan akhir dia adalah punca kuasa 3 2xy multiply by square root y and square root x power of 3 divide by y. Okay, so this is the solution. I hope you understand for this example C. Alright. Okay, this is example D. Okay, solution is, okay, we start with number 16. Okay, 16 is equal to 2 power of 4 multiply by x power of 2, x power of 2, y, we have z power of 2 and z. Okay. And then for the denominator part, we have 2 multiply x power of 3, y power of 3 multiplied by y, and then with z power of 2. So which one will be taken out? Alright, from this root, we can see here we have here actually power of 2. So we can put out 2 power of 4 And also we can put out x power of 2, x power of 2, z power of 2. And then for the cube, we can put out x power of 3 and y power of 3. So this one will be still inside the root, alright? So now we have 4 divided by 2, we have 2 power of 2, and then x power of 2, also z, okay? So inside the root we have y, z. Okay, how about the denominator? So we have x and y, cube root of 2 y z square. Okay, now you have to think for this one. Remember, we can see here, we have root, okay, cube root. So this one you have to apply rationalizing. So now we have to multiply with cube root of, okay, atas bawah lah. Okay, now we already have 2. So kena multiply dengan, okay, this is power of 1, 2 power of 2, right? And then how about y? Also 2 power of 2. And then z only 1 lah, sebab sini dah ada 2. Okay. Sama juga dengan kat atas ni. So, okay, hasil darab dia akan dapat apa? So, we can, okay, 4x square z root of yz, and then cube root of 4 y equal to z. Okay, so how about the denominator part? So, we get here xy. Side the root we get z cube, y cube, and also z cube. Okay, now we simplify. Okay, 4x square z root of, okay, square root of yz cube root of 4y square z. Okay, divide by, okay, now we have x, and now we can just simplify this y and multiply by y, we get y square and z. Okay, okay, now we can just simplify the letters. Okay, the answer z with z, x, only one x left, so the answer will be 4x square root of yz multiplied by cube root of 4y square z divide by y square. Okay, so this is the solution for example D. Alright, so I hope you understand. And just in case you don't understand, you can just PM madam, alright? Okay, thank you. Okay, this is last example, okay? So now we can see that we have cube root of negative 27, x power of 11, y power of 7 divided by cube root of 64, x power of 6, y power of 2. So now negative 27 is equal to negative 9 multiplied by 3, and this is negative 3 power of 2 multiplied by 3. So negative 27 is equal to negative 3 power of 4. Alright, and oops, sorry, this is power of 2. Okay, negative 3 power of 3 equal to negative 7, and then 64 is equal to 8 multiplied by 8. Okay, no, we know that 8 is equal to 2 power of 3 and 2 power of 3. Therefore, 64 is equal to 2 power of 6. Alright, so now we put it into the question. So now negative 3 power of 3 multiplied by x power of 3, x power of 3, and x power of 3 multiplied by x power of 2, so that we get 11. And y, because of my space is not enough, okay, I just write here y power of 6 and multiply by y, we get y power of 7. Okay, so this is the numerator part. Okay, how about the denominator part? We get here 64 equal to 2 power of 6 multiply x power of 6 and y power of 2. So now we simplify which one we have to take out. Alright, so you can just, okay, now we have power of 3 kan, yang kita boleh keluarkan adalah, okay, ni power of 3, and we have x, how many, 3 times, right? So means this is will be x power of 3 later. And now we have y power of 6, because of 6 divided by 3 we get y power of 2 later. And then now we have power of 3. Okay, we can put out 2 and 6, right? And this will be 2 power of 2 and x power of 2. Okay, so the answer will be negative. Oops, sorry. Okay, negative 3, and then we have x 3 times, and then y. So inside the cube root we have x power of 2 and y. Okay, divide by, we have 2 power of 2 is equal to 4 and x power of 2. So inside the cube root we have y square. Okay, so now we can see we have here, okay, the radical sign ni kita kena remove dia. So kita kena apply rationalizing. Nak darab dengan apa? So kena darabkan dengan cube root juga. Okay, isunya sekarang ni cube root ni dalamnya apa? Okay, because of we have power of 3. Dalam ni sebabkan ada 2, so kita tinggal just darab dengan y je lah. Okay, so that bila kita multiply, kuasa kita tambah kat dalam. Atas pun kena darab dengan y. So jawapan akhir, so after we multiply, so the answer will be negative 3x cube y cube 3x x square, and then because of y multiplied by y, we get here y square. Okay, divide by 4x square. Okay, inside the cube root we have y power of 3. Okay, so this one is actually equal to y lah. Okay, so now kita boleh simplify. Okay, faham y ni tadi dari mana? Sebab because of kita ada cube root of y cube. Okay, so simplify, kita ada 3 dengan 3, punca kuasa 3, so kita buang dia punya rumah tu lah. So now we can just simplify, ini boleh cancel dengan ni, tinggal x saja, ini tinggal y saja. So jawapan akhir dia akan jadi negative 3x multiply by cube root of x square y square divide by 4 multiply cube root of divide by 4. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, I hope you understand. Oh sorry, now we have y, right? Kita tertinggal y kat sini. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is the last example where kita apply rationalizing dalam simplify ni. Thank you.